you're gonna be Norsca. I was gonna do the Lizard Boys, but I'm not gonna do the Lizard Boys against Norsca.
I think we've done that matchup before already, haven't we?
We have. I bought both expansions today, Grom and Hunter.
Nice.
So I wanted to use the Dread Saurian, the biggest 3,700 points for the Regiment of Renown.
Those are kind of like giants too. Like there's matches where that thing will do really, really well, and then there are matches where they're just another waste of money.
Yeah. Let me see. Okay. For Norsca.
So you sticking with Lizardmen, or you're looking?
No, I think I'll do Greenskins.
Okay.
Why not? I haven't played them, and I got a bunch of new units for them too.
I feel like this is not going to go well for old Keith.
Listen, you've won both matches. I don't know why you're complaining.
I'm not complaining. I'm just worried.
Yeah, no, I know. What's the rogue idol? Is that just like a giant? That looks like a giant.
It's a giant, but it's very, very, very slow. Probably, maybe even slower than the giant.
It's faster than the giant.
Okay. But it's very, I think one of its traits is cumbersome. Like, it's...
Yeah, slow attacks, but it has 150 armor.
Yeah. The one that, insane. The ROR, I think, is the only one I see from time to time, because that also is an artillery piece, where the non-RORs aren't.
Whoa, yeah, it is, okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty unique. Hold on real quick. I just want to check something out real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay. You do have unit caps on. Alright.
This is such a bad idea.
Oh, thank God. That's how I feel. I'm like, no, this is gonna go poorly. Ooh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to pick a map, and I think I'm ready. Whenever.
Ready whenever?
Whenever. Just be quick about it.
Alright,
I'm completely kidding. You're fine.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I'm going as fast as I can. Ooh, boy. This. Oh, that was what I forgot. Okay, so what are we?
Oh, Baraz. I don't think we've done that one in a while. Is that under the, or is that under G? There we go. What's this look like? That looks okay. I think you're going to win this one.
Do you?
Yes, I do. Uh-oh. What's going on in Hawaii office here?
I'm just... Oh, that's not what I want. Wow. They really make it tough to... Alright, I'm ready.
Cool.
0 gold, so I've got to win.
I ended up with 11. So this is not going to go well.
It's your fate is sealed. You might as well give up now.
This is going to be such a bad battle. It's not even funny.
Excellent. How else are you going to learn? I'm going to start probably doing some more random fights too, because like I can't now. I want to do more.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really enjoying the multiplayer.
So for a long time I was watching videos and stuff, and I was like, man, I really wish I could get into this. But always felt very I don't know, not confident enough. But yes, playing with you, like, I've gotten a lot more confidence in doing it from practice and whatnot.
Oh god. This is a bad idea.
Okay, I'm ready whenever.
All right. Hold on. Let me organize a little bit more.
Every single one of his items. Come on, Keith. Amateur hour.
That sucks.
Luckily, it's not a caster. Like, that is always terrible when you bring a caster and you forget to take off everything.
Especially when it's like some of the more expensive spells are really situational or just not good at all. And so like if you bring one of those by accident, you're like, oh, okay, that sucks.
Yeah. Like a Firecaster with Flamestorm. It's like, oh no. You'll never hit anyone with this.
I'm ready to go. Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow, that's a lot of missile cav.
Yeah, it is.
And there's some night goblins. Ah, squigs. Stop it. Leave me alone. Don't be this way. Oh, actually, I think Will might win that. Oh, you brought the biggin, huh?
I did. Yeah, that's what we want to. That's what we want to hit.
Wolfric? Where are you? Okay, get in here. Yeah, you can. That's fine, I think.
Oh no, don't do that. Oh. That's a shame. Nah, I don't think I brought enough dedicated anti-large. Too much skirmish, not enough anti-large. That's a darn shame.
Did you? Oh, come on. It canceled my spell. Oh, those are biggins. Get out of there. I don't know, when you're going missile play, it's all about the patience, though. It's a patience game.
Yeah, that's fair.
Azag the Slaughter, eh? Come on, guys, get in here. Yeah, I think you might win this. I don't think I think I have.
Don't jinx it. Get it? Yes! Triple spirit leeches, baby! Get him!
Okay, that is not a good place for them to be fighting. Let's get out of there.
Get back in there. What are you guys doing? The drag, get him. Oh! That was a good ship.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't think I have it.
No, not anymore. I think that's because you just lost one of your. Yep. Come on, who's left? Who hasn't broken yet? You two chase him. Make sure he goes away. You chase them. Make sure they go away. Looks like you just have a lord left. hit him. That actually went pretty well. Man, I feel like, I don't know, like, every once in a while there's a game like this where the way I think it's going to plays out, it makes sense. But every other time it's like, I feel like either I go too expensive or too cheap. And then I just like, I lose, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, the expensive units are great, but then you end up having too little and you can't do it. So then if you overcompensate with too many cheap units, and then it's like, they just get obliterated.
Well, I knew that mine was going to be a rough thing because of, you know, greenskin archers. They're just, you can bring so many of them and they're so cheap and they're just so effective. And I brought two mammoths, which are a giant, huge target.
Yep. They didn't pay for themselves. Wolfric almost paid for himself. Ooh.
I didn't get that second final transmutation either.
Wow, all of my biggins paid for themselves? That's nuts. I didn't think they were that good, but okay.
They are amazing. But they were sitting on top of my mammoths, and I mean, that's just cha-ching.
Yeah, but I thought they were I didn't think they were anti-large.
Oh no, the biggins are. Yeah, both them and the Savage Orc biggins are anti-large.
Excellent. Well, in that case, that explains why they did so well. Yeah, and then oddly enough, the spiders don't look like they have that much damage. I mean, they paid for themselves, but that's it, which is weird.
Mm-hmm. Oh, although I guess your mangy marauders.
Yeah, the mangy marauders did pretty good because I had them focusing down the